Hello, my name is Willa and my channel is Willa at Home. Today I am presenting 14 entry-level work at home jobs that are worth your time, so that you can spend less time working and more time with your family. The first company is Lionbridge. Lionbridge is a work from home as a search engine evaluator where you analyze the search engine results based on ad placement. You can work from home part-time earning around $13 per hour. There is no experience required, but you will need to take an assessment beforehand. The second company is Nice Talk Tutor. This company uses a mobile app that will pay you to teach English to Chinese students through video chat. If you are fluent in English, have a smartphone and stable, fast internet connection, you are qualified to apply to be an English tutor. The pay for this kind of work is $10 per hour. You will be able to request your earnings after you have made $20 through your PayPal account. It is open to tutors in the US, Canada, England, Australia and possibly other countries. The third company is Schematalk. If you are a native English and speak English fluently, you will be able to teach English from anywhere in the world with this site. You will need a computer with a built-in microphone or a headset as well as Skype installed on your computer in order to take lessons. Sessions last around 25 minutes and you can earn up to $1,000 per month or more with this company. The fourth company is Italki. Work from home as a community tutor for Italki where you can meet and help students from all over the world learn a new language by way of Skype. You can schedule and set your own hours and prices as a tutor. There is no experience required, but you will need to either have a verified PayPal account, Alipay account, WebMoney account or Moneybooker's Skrill account in order to get paid. You will also need a computer or tablet, headset and webcam, Skype or other free VoIP programs to tutor students online. You will be required to make a short 2 to 4 minute video introduction about yourself to display your teaching style to potential students. In most cases, this website does not require you to be a native English speaker. The fifth company is Constant Content. You will write content in the form of articles for customers and get paid cash when they buy them. I used to write for this company and I remember selling one of my articles for around $45. Make sure that you submit content that only you have written, because you will get banned from this site if you use someone else's content. The sixth company is Appen. This company has various work-at-home jobs including short-term projects as a social media evaluator, voice data collection, crowdsourcing projects, translators, copywriters and more. They offer a flexible schedule for busy moms and pay more than minimum wage. The seventh company is Needle. At Needle, you will work from home helping people with various brands and products as a chat agent. You have the potential to earn at least $10 per hour and possibly more if there is a surge in traffic on their website. You will earn money sharing your expertise and get to chat with customers at the same time. The eighth company is User Testing. Get paid $10 to visit a website or app and share your thoughts through your computer microphone about what you discovered. Tests take around 20 minutes to complete. Pays through your PayPal account. Open worldwide. The ninth company is IntelliZoom Panel, a similar website that will pay you to test their clients' websites and give your feedback online. Pays $8 per test and also takes less than 20 minutes per test. The 10th company is Clickworker. If you can work pretty fast and efficiently, you can earn close to $10 per hour with this site completing various tasks in data categorization, writing, translation, web search evaluation and more. They pay weekly. The 11th company is Transcription. Transcribe audio and video files from home in any language without any previous experience. They have training modules to help you become a professional transcriptionist. All you need is a computer and a reliable internet connection. Work whenever you want. General transcription rates pay $20 per audio hour. Payment are made weekly by way of PayPal as long as you have $20 in your account. There is an exam that is required for all applicants. The 12th company is Merits Research. This company hires telephone interviewers to work from home reading from a script, to gather information from various individuals. It is an easy work-at-home job with very flexible hours that pays weekly. You will have to work on at least one weekend day. It is a good company to work for. It offers paid training and incentives. You can read about the starting wage and raise for new hires on their website. Number 13 is Zero Chaos. This company has work from home jobs advertised online as ad quality raters. You will view web advertisements in relation to the search engine results. The hours are completely flexible and you can even use Wi-Fi connection to complete the work. You may also be required to have a smartphone. They pay $15 per hour and require no experience. There are several openings that you can apply to now. Number 14 and final company is LeapForce. This particular company also recruits independent agents to work from home conducting research and feedback on search engine results. There is a long application process, but if you are able to get the position and have a consistent workload, you can work 40 hours a week. You can set your own schedule and the pay is by direct deposit. The pay rate is at least $13 per hour but may vary up to $15 per hour. This is all I have for you today. Thank you for watching and visiting my channel today. If this is the first time visiting my channel, please subscribe. Then click the bell so that you will be notified of upcoming jobs and other helpful information. Click the thumbs up to like this video. Until the next video, have a nice day.